I didn't start Renu Therapy to build a business. I started it because I wrecked my back and I needed a way to heal. After surgery, I found Wim Hof, got into breath work, and realized I needed cold water beyond the cold shower. Hauling ice, no thank you. Back then, there were no cold plunges online. So I built the first Renu Therapy cold plunge. It ran like a champ and it looked like a piece of art. I had solved a problem. And that's when the business idea took hold. As a seasoned entrepreneur, I set a few non-negotiables: a beautiful design profile, easy to use, and able to deliver cold and clean water on demand. I also chose to manufacture in the US and build a customer support team that I'd be proud of. That's how Renu was born. No gimmicks, no shortcuts. Go! Just reliable, American-made cold therapy tanks that look good and work every day so you can show up, recover, and reset.